Guys, let's play! Nakita ko yung board game na binili ko before sa mall. Ludo siya, pero with a twist.
Same lang as regular Ludo. 4 players with 4 pieces of tokens each houses. For the first step, each player should roll the dice. The player who rolls a 6 first will be designated as the first player. The second person to roll a 6 will be the second player, and the same applies for the 2 remaining players. We have 3 different levels. First, this is the level. Inside the envelope, the player will be given a piece of paper written with the equation of add and minus. Second, the medium level. A small piece of paper written with the equation of division and multiplication. And lastly, for the hard level. In this level, the basic algebra of finding the x or y will be appeared. How the twist works? First, roll the dice. On your turn, you roll the dice para malaman how many spaces ka dapat mag-move. Second, the equation time.
Ano to?
Pero hindi ka makakamove agad, sis. You need to answer a math equation muna.
X negative 7 equal 3. Ay, alam ko sagot dito. X equal 10. Basic naman.
Kapag tama sagot mo, you move forward ng dice roll mo.
Ay, may isa pa. 2x equal 16. Ay, alam ko sagot dito. X equal 6.
Kapag mali ang sagot mo, sorry na lang, you have to move backward. This Ludo has a special rule. It's called double move. If nag-roll ka ng 6, tapos tama pa sagot mo sa napili mong equation, instead of rolling ulit, diretso ka na ng 12 spaces. Capturing twist. Sa normal Ludo, pag napunta ka sa space ng kalaban, balik siya sa base. Pero dito, you have 2 choices. Number 1, capture mo siya like a classic Ludo style. Or number 2, move back 1 space ka na lang para chill vibes, walang gulo. And lastly, how to win the game. Winning the game, first player na makapasok ng 4 tokens sa bahay niya ay siyang mananalo. Pero twist, bago ka makapasok sa home, kailangan mo pa rin sagutan ng tama yung equation for that piece. Ludo Math. Roll the dice, raise the victory. Thank you for watching.